Hey, Liz and Mark, good morning to you both and happy Saturday. Team Rubicon has been on the front lines of Hurricane Ian since that massive Category 4 storm made landfall just a few days ago, helping with disaster recovery efforts. Now, this is an exciting time for this organization. It's actually a nonprofit disaster relief agency led by veterans. Today, they are essentially having the grand opening of their new Tactical Operations Center in West Park, or TOC. This is actually the Emergency Operations Center for Team Rubicon's Hurricane Ian response, a very active center. One of the organization's first objectives in Hurricane Ian is to clear roadways and transportation routes from downed trees and other debris. They called their volunteers gray shirts, and we spoke with an Army veteran and Team Rubicon volunteer on the importance of service after a national disaster.
I think it's everyone's duty to do something for your fellow man, and this is a great way to do it.
Team Rubicon's Tactical Operations Center is actually inside a restored Chicago firehouse, and leaders say it will play a critical role in future disasters across the Midwest and beyond. This is actually the first firehouse built after the Chicago fire in 1871, and it was actually active for 100 years. Now, in about 30 minutes or so, we are expecting to hear from state and local leaders, as well as Team Rubicon organizers on the importance of this organization, the significance of their new Tactical Operations Center, as they continue to respond to Hurricane Ian this morning. Mark and Liz, back to you.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.